Hi, in this video, let's find out how you can use Kubernetes with Docker. First things first, I'm using Ubuntu 20.04.6 LTS and I'm creating this script to set up my Docker. Let's see, touch docker.sh. I am pasting this script here and I'm running, as you can see in the guide, second step is to run bash Docker. So it'll take some time. It'll take around 1 minute to 2 minutes. So what I'll do is when I'm editing, I'll skip this process and you will see the Docker up and running at the end of the video. Okay. Now I have to start the Docker. And we can check the status. So Docker is running. Now let's go ahead and set up kubectl. And then let's run the script. I am following the steps because so that it makes your life easy. You just copy paste stuff and you should be able to set everything up and running. So it's done. Okay, kubectl is up and running. Now let's set up kind and say touch kind.sh. I am opening it, pasting the script, and I'm running dash kind.sh to get the kind binary up and running. Once it is there, we can finally run our kind cluster, which is kind create cluster. Again, this might take 2 minutes or maybe 3 minutes. That looks like it's up now. Okay, looks like this is up now. kubectl get cons -a. Yes, the cluster is up and running. I think it's still setting it up, but as you can see, kubectl run nginx. Oh, sorry. nginx kubectl get paths. There you go. It's getting created. That's it.